Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction. My name is Sapri Hidayat, where I was born in Musirawas, Jayaloka Subdistrict, 13 Juli 2001. Domisili Curug Bengkulu. My study program at UNP atau Universitas Negeri Padang is the Departemen of Sport Education. I want to take the time to do sport activities and gain experience in acting in the field of sport. My dream and ambition is to become a successful person in the world and the hereafter. To be successful entrepreneur, to be able to travel and visit tourists in Indonesia if necessary, to do award funded or earned by myself, one-to-one championship and pre-pon in Bali next year, and be able to make my grandmother happy in my hometown and make my parents happy in heaven there. Someone who is inspired in life is my own grandmother. She is about 8 years old and is still strong enough to garden, cook, water flowers, clean up the house, always get up and down, and never miss praying. It all become my inspiration and someone I really admired during my life that I saw. Thank you.